Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can slay the tennis skirt look in DTI without VIP. If you want to rock the tennis skirt look in Dress to Impress without the need for VIP, in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can create a chic, sporty tennis skirt outfit that's stylish, fun, and completely VIP free. So what you need to use is only two items in here. The first one, you can get this skirt in here and change the color into the color that you want. For example, I'm going to change it into this blue color. And next one, you need to use this short pants, this one, and change the color to be the same with the skirt. Just change this and now you are done. So this is the look for the tennis skirt, and you can use it for a sporty theme. That's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, click on the thanks, and also leave a comment and hit on the thumbs up. Bye.